Hello, in this video, we will introduce standard dialog boxes. You can use standard dialog boxes to display message boxes or to prompt the user to enter numbers and strings. So let's look at this example here. We are going to create multiple dialog boxes. So let's run this program. It is dialog demo. So here is dialog demo. So when you run it first, you see that right here, it's the show info message. So this is the info message. It is right here. It is show info. This is an info message right here. Now you have to dismiss this dialog box before you get to the next one. It's show warning. So the next one is show warning. This is a warning. So look, this is different, icon is different. And the next one is show error. So this is just the display message, different kinds of message, information, warning, and this is the error. And this is the error right here. And the next is going to prompt the user for this response here is continue, yes or no. So ask yes, no, continue. So now, yes, we're gonna continue now. You're gonna see this is a print. Is this is the next is okay. So we're gonna print is true. So this you select the true and it's okay. And you can say I'm gonna cancel it. So this is gonna be false. And the next one here is the ask yes, no, cancel. So you have 3. So let's go with no and say this is false. And so now this is ask string. So you enter a string here is John, and that's okay. So John is displayed here. John, print the name. And now age 20, and they say okay. So 20 is here. So print the age. And now ask a float number is 150 pounds. So this is 150. So this is the demonstration for using all the standard dialog boxes. That is all for this video on standard dialog boxes. See you on the next video.